Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and let's see what you'll be expecting for the day on GBP JPY. So let's start with our trend on GBP JPY. You can see that on our trend, we are clearly on an uptrend move. That is the full trend on our GBP JPY. The full trend is literally on an uptrend move. We are having a series of higher high and higher low. But when you go to your forward time frame, you'll see that we are literally ranging within this level, right? This is our resistance, and this is also the support level. Markets came to tap our resistance, then it dropped to our support. Eventually came back to tap our resistance and dropped to support. Markets came, tapped our resistance, and eventually dropped to this our support level. Now our next movement is another movement to our resistance level. But before that, we will be expecting market to play a certain pattern, which will be covered in the mentorship program. So to those of you that trade GBPJPY and you want to learn how to trade it properly, right, you will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So once you subscribe there, which is very easy, you will learn how to analyze the charts properly. You will learn how to analyze key levels. You will learn strategies, psychology. We'll be looking at other assets like commodities. We'll be looking at indices, like your Nasdaq, US 30. You will also be looking at currencies, like GBP, JPY. You would also be looking at the fundamentals, the news that move the market, how to use it, how to trade, and understand it, when to enter and how to exit a trade, the patterns that works and that plays out, which are common, risk management and also trade management, and also trade setup for the week will also be given. So all you just have to do is, go to the comment section, click on the link to the telegram, to the mentorship. Once you subscribe, then you would learn how to trade properly. So, and everything will be covered. So more updates on this will be covered in the mentorship program. Now it looks like market wants to form double bottom. Let's see if it will eventually form it. If it does not form that double bottom, markets are likely drop to give us a false breakout before they push back up in. So above all, our focus on GBPJPY is the bullish move that should come to tap our resistance levels. Let's see how it results and updates will be given in the mentorship